Welcome back, YouTube. I hope you're all having a great day. Let's begin our next challenge, level 30. The description for this level is the same as it was for the previous few levels, so we'll dive straight in. Similarly to the previous Git challenges, we first want to make a directory under /temp. We want to change into this directory and we clone the repository. Don't forget to add the right port number. We hit enter, we type yes. We copy the Bandit 30 password, which I stored locally. We paste it and hit enter again. And the cloning was successful. We now have a local copy of the central repository. We change into this directory. Again, we have a README file. Let's see the contents. So there's not really an indication here. Let's first identify the commit logs by using git log. So since there is only one commit, the last version of the file is the same as the initial version, and no content changes were made, so no password here. Next, let's identify the different branches by using git branch. We use the -a option to specify that we want to see all branches. So we got our local master branch, which is the same as this remote origin master, and since head points to origin master, these three are practically the same. So no password here either. What other places are left, which could contain information? There exists something called a git tag. Let's visualize this. We have our central Git repository, in this case with only a master branch, which contains some files that have been through several changes or commits. Tags point to specific commits that represent milestones in the branch's history. They are generally used in production to mark a version release, and to be more memorable than the random string Git gives to identify the commit, as we saw with git log. Those strings can be pretty complicated and difficult to remember. And lastly, a tag has its own title and description. So usually, if we execute git log and a tag exists, we'll see something like this, where the tag points to the specific commit. However, in this level, they obscured that fact and made it more difficult for us. So let's head back and see which tags our project possibly has. We'll use the git tag command, which creates, lists, deletes, or verifies a tag object. Since we want to list a tag object, we'll use the -l option, but apparently running git tag without arguments also lists all tags. So they made it easy for us. We just need to type git tag. And we got one tag called secret. To see its contents, we use git show. We used git show to see commits, but it can also be used to see tags. We specify the tag that we want to see, and this should be our password. Congratulations! Let's log out and register our completion of level 30. We can log out by either typing logout, exit, or hitting Ctrl D. We successfully logged in. To register our completion, we type the reachal command. Congratulations on completing level 30. You rock! Thank you for watching this video. Please show your support and hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications to keep up to date with our next achievements.